told that in the wake of rising concerns over the new variant of concern, states have now stepped up screening as well as surveillance at the big airports, especially if we talk about Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, even in Punjab. And this is coming as 2 cases of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 that has been reported from the state of Karnataka. In fact, we are told that the Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai will also be holding a review meeting in the case of the preparedness that has been made by the state government over now the Omicron variant now been also said that it has been found in India. And in fact, what is being said that at least 10 foreign returnees also remain untraceable in Bengaluru. This is another cause of concern there, and they are yet to be tested if they are said to be Omicron positive or not. But in Mumbai, we are told the pictures that we're also getting of the mayor there, Kishori Pednekar, who is visiting the Genome Sequencing Center at the Kasturba Hospital to take stock of the situation in the city. And we are told that also on the floor of the house, we're looking at how the situation was also taken up by the centre side. Joining me live from Srinagar, Zeenat, we have Gursimran from Jammu, Amandeep is from Chandigarh, and also we have Apurva joining us live from Chennai. Let's go to them one by one. Of course, in Srinagar there, Zeenat, the preparations that have been made on ground there, because we are looking at the situation that seems to be developing now after we are looking at the first cases of Omicron being detected in India. Zeenat.
See, Amita, as far as the Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, although there has not been any case of the Omicron that has come on surface, but we are seeing the preparations coming from the administration, particularly for the people coming from outside the Jammu and Kashmir, whether it's the airports or for that matter the entry and the exit points of the Kashmir Valley. Most of the places have been covered with the health desk where the screening, sampling and also testing is being done. In fact, the people coming from the affected countries are being put in quarantine. In fact, as far as the Srinagar administration is concerned, so they have set up 4 hotels where the that has been turned into a quarantine center. Similarly, we have the DRDO hospital in the Khanmu outskirts of Srinagar, where the cases are being sent in case any.
Right, let me go across to Jammu where Gursimran is reporting. We'll just go back to Zeenat in just a bit. In Jammu there, we are told, Gursimran, the administration has also decided to make RT-PCR testing mandatory, especially for all foreign travellers to the Union Territory at the airports.
Yes, indeed, the administration is leaving no stone unturned, and they have made it mandatory that those coming from outside having the foreign travel history will undergo the COVID-19 testing. Right now, we are outside the DRDO hospital in Jammu, and this 500-bedded hospital has been designated as the treatment hospital for the foreign travelers who will be testing positive in case there is any case, because as of now, 75 people with a foreign travel history has come to Jammu specifically. Out of that, 66 have already tested negative. The test results of 9 are still awaited. The protocols that have been set up by the J&K government reads that those testing negative have to undergo 7 days of mandatory quarantine, after which on the 8th day RT-PCR test will be performed. Those testing positive, they will be admitted here at the DRDO hospital. This is one of the biggest facility for the COVID-19 treatment. 500-bedded DRDO hospital has now been designated as the treatment hospital for the foreign travelers in Jammu region. As apart from this, we have seen that adequate arrangements have been made in the Jammu railway station as well as in the Jammu airport, so as anyone coming from outside with a foreign travel history don't go untraced, because there have been several instances where we have seen people gone missing after coming from other parts of the state during second phase of the COVID-19. And now the administration is all geared up to ensure that no one goes untraced, no one goes without the RT-PCR testing, and that's why adequate arrangements have been made. 6 hotels have been identified for the paid quarantine, so that anyone coming from outside, they can go there as well for quarantine period. Yes, Samita.
So the travellers will now be allowed to enter Jammu and Kashmir only if they test negative, as preparations are being done for especially the post-arrival of all of these passengers coming to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Stay on with us, all our reporters there on the ground, as we listen in what more reactions are pouring in, especially from Jammu, as where Gursimran is reporting live from.
जैसे कि आप ऑलरेडी जानते हो कि ओमिक्रॉन जो वायरस है वो साउथ अफ्रीका ने पहले किया था 26 नवंबर को, और जैसे कि कल हमें कर्नाटका में भी इसके 2 केसेस की वो पुष्टि हुई है। तो जम्मू में ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हमारी एक हाई लेवल की मीटिंग अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ हमारे ऑनरेबल एलजी ने ली थी और उन्होंने उनकी गाइडलाइन जो आई हैं, हमारे गाइडलाइंस में ये था कि इसके लिए हमें जम्मू में जो हमारे एंट्री पॉइंट्स हैं, चाहे हमारा लखनपुर का हो, चाहे हमारा जम्मू एयरपोर्ट हो, चाहे जम्मू रेलवे स्टेशन हो, तो जम्मू एयरपोर्ट में क्योंकि ये इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर है मोस्टली एयरपोर्ट पे ही आते हैं, तो जम्मू एयरपोर्ट में हमने एक स्पेशल एक अलग से काउंटर बना दिया गया है। जो फॉरेन ट्रैवलर जो भी आएगा फ्रॉम एनी कंट्री, किसी भी कंट्री भी आएगा, उसको हमने वहाँ पे उसका RT-PCR टेस्ट लेना है और टेस्ट लेने के बाद हमने उसको क्वारंटीन करना है जब तक उसकी रिपोर्ट नहीं आती। मोस्टली रिपोर्ट कम्स जो नॉर्मल RT-PCR है वो विदिन 24 से रिपोर्ट आ जाती है। तो जैसे कल भी मैं खुद भी एयरपोर्ट पे था, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी वहाँ पे थी और वहाँ पे हमने कल कोई 12 केसेस ऐसे थे जो जिनके जो फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स थे उनके हमने टेस्ट किए और शाम को उनकी रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आ गई। और मैं जो पहले जो केसेस हमारे आते हैं, जो लिस्ट एक शेयर होती है, इमिग्रेशन ब्यूरो है वहाँ से, और जो हमारी सेंट्रल सर्वेलेंस यूनिट है दिल्ली में, वो स्टेट सर्वेलेंस यूनिट से लिस्ट शेयर करती है और फिर हमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में आती है। तो अभी तक हमने 75 जो ये थे फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स हमने ट्रेस आउट कर लिए हैं। उनमें से 66 जो थे जिनके हमने सैंपल्स कर लिए और वो 66 ये नेगेटिव हैं। बाकी का इनका प्रोग्रेस पे चल रहा है और जो भी लोग अपने घरों में हैं, जो बैठे हुए हैं, उनको हमने वहाँ पे घर में ही उनको क्वारंटीन, होम क्वारंटीन किया हुआ है और उनका 8th डे पे एक बार फिर रिपीट टेस्ट करेंगे और फिर उनको अनदर 7 डेज़ के लिए फिर उनको सेल्फ जो केयर पे रखेंगे, घर में रहेंगे। और मैं ये लोगों से यही अपील करता हूँ, ये जो लोग आ रहे हैं बाहर से, कि वो जो है हमारे से कोऑपरेट करें, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कोऑपरेट करें, क्योंकि यही वो टाइम है जहाँ हम इसको हम स्क्रीन आउट कर सकते हैं।